Hi everyone. So today's prompt on hashtag Gothic Christmas Journal 24 is baking. But I wanted to tell you this all dried, so I am going to put some um, web lace on this for a flip. But I can't do that yet because if I do that, I can't do today's video. So I'm going to do today's video, and then when all that dries, I'll put the flip there. And today is baking, so let me get that other part. Is that gonna fit? No, it's not. Where's that image I wanted? Here it is. Look at that creepy image. That's perfect for baking. Isn't that perfect? So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna pull in the. Why do I keep saying pull in? I'm gonna do. Let me get the rest of this. Let me see something. That'll pop up, but that's okay. So I'm gonna get this and cut this. All right, let me get that punch again. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to sit down. Hopefully I'm going to still be in frame. Let's see. So let's put this in there. All right. Let's glue this in. Oh no, we got to go to the transfer station today. So I got my, I already put in the kitchen my bag from here that I put all my little scraps of paper in to throw out. Little tiny ones, not the good ones. So I had a piece of glue. I'm like, well, I'll just put it over here on the side. So I'll cut that. All right, and then let me put. Let's see. I realized I never made a tag yet, or a hidden paper clip, or anything for this. Maybe I should incorporate that in there too. So let me get this image. Let me glue it down. Cut it out. Oh, today's the move for Crystal. I gotta meet her at 11 o'clock this morning and get the rest of her stuff to go into the new place. All right. Let's fussy cut this out. Christmas in 3 days. Wow. So tomorrow I'm working. And then they're giving us Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday off. And then I got to go back to work on Friday. Damien was not able to get the day after Christmas off. So he'll be at work. I'll probably be crafting. I don't bake much at all. I make good wine biscuits. red and white, but I haven't done that in a while either. And this is just going to be a tuck, and because this is backed on some manila fold, it'll be sturdy. I'm not worried about that. Just put something in there. So let me put, okay, up to there. My Aunt Rosalie makes good cookies and all kind of stuff. She's a good baker. So she'll probably have something Christmas Eve that she had made. I gotta clean this off. Let's see. Where is my paper towels? I should always have extra paper towels in here. Oh, I guess I don't. All right, what are we gonna do with these guys? Ooh, let's dress up the red. Let's dress up the bows. And these little berries, let's dress those up too. Hey, you can reshape it, you know. If you mess up, just get your fingernail and you could reshape it. That happens sometimes. When you pull away, you know, it doesn't stay a circle. Wrinkles fell yesterday. He fell in the wink. No, he fell in the stickles. Get a little glittery. I don't know about him. He's slacking off. I think he's getting tired now. Lucky for him, there's only a few more days, and then he doesn't have to help me anymore. It's tough when there's little spots like this. You just do the best you can. We have more berries down here. There we go. All right, let's take a close-up look at that. See, Wrinkles has glitter on him. The camera's not picking up, but he's glittery, trust me. He's got all glitter on him. Okay. That's what that looks like. Isn't that pretty? Boy, those are creepy, huh? I love it. Christmas creep. All right, I'm going to put this on this side just to dry. I'm going to get rid of my mess. Tomorrow is a free spot, I believe. Guys, we are almost done with this journal. So I'm getting excited. All right, so that was what I had for today. So thanks for watching Happy Crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.